Metallica is one of the biggest names in the heavy metal and thrash metal music scene. Their fast tempos, instrumentals, and musicianship paved the way to become one of the founding members of the thrash metal music, along with bands like Slayer, Anthrax, and Megadeth. Welcome back to Stay Tuned, a voiceover series initiated by We Got Guru, a music school in Bangalore that provides music lessons with a panel of 45 plus seasoned and certified tutors. I'm Anurupa, your host for this episode, and in today's segment, we are going to talk about Metallica, one of the thrash metal's favorite bands. The band was formed on October 28, 1981. It all started when drummer Lars Ulrich placed an advertisement in the Recycler, a newspaper in Los Angeles, looking for metal musicians to jam with. That's how Lars met James Hetfield, the future frontman and rhythm guitarist for Metallica. Dave Mustaine replied to an advertisement for a lead guitarist and joined Metallica, but then got fired and went on to form Megadeth. Mustaine was replaced by guitarist Kirk Hammett in 1983. Bassist Robert joined the band in 2003 and is the band's longest-serving bassist. Metallica got its name from drummer Ulrich's friend who was coming with ideas for a magazine name. He was considering Metalmania or Metallica. The band's first 5 albums helped them gain a strong base in the underground music community. The band's debut album, Kill Them All, created ripples in the metal music scene, and soon the band would headline for other bands on tours. Their second album, Ride the Lightning, entered the Billboard 200 at the 100th position. The album was getting around, selling copies in different countries. In France, one incident occurred where the printing press mistakenly printed green covers for the album, which later became a collector's edition for the fans. It was the band's first album to be certified gold on November 4 of 1986 and was certified 6 times platinum in 2003. In the same year, during a tour, the band was on the road in Sweden. The bus driver lost control of the bus and skidded and had rolled over multiple times. Ulrich, Hammett, and Hetfield were not injured, but their bassist at the time, Cliff Burton, was under the bus and was crushed by the weight. It was the 5th album titled Metallica, aka the Black Album, which made the band synonymous with thrash metal in 1992. It featured the iconic Metallica song, Nothing Else Matters. At that time, the song was written. It was about Hetfield's girlfriend at that time, but for the band, the song is about their fans because nothing else matters. The album also included the song Enter Sandman, which was about nightmares and things that go bump in the night. The line in the chorus, "Take my hand, we are off to Never Never Land," is a reference to the Peter Pan story, but in less pleasant setting. Over the next 3 decades, Metallica put out 5 more albums, that is, Load in 1996, Reload in 1997, Saint Anger in 2003, Death Magnetic in 2008, and Hardwired to Self-Destruct in 2016. They have won 9 Grammy Awards and are known as the most commercially successful thrash metal bands of all time. Rolling Stone ranked them at number 61 on its 100 Greatest Artists of All Time list. Metallica was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in the year of 2009. As of 2021, Metallica is still touring, putting out live wire performances and cheering the music community and their fans with the music during the pandemic. That's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Drop in a like and let us know in the comment section what you'd like us to talk about in the next episode. Do share this video as well because sharing is caring, and also subscribe so you'll always stay tuned with us and will never miss out on any episode. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay safe and take care.